Are you looking to make your garden soil more fertile and easier to till? Then you're in the right place. Today, we're introducing the top 5 best rear tine tillers that will make your gardening tasks simpler and more enjoyable. Let's dive in and see which models are winning everyone's hearts right now. Product number 1. YARDMAX 18-inch rear tine tiller. We're checking out the YARDMAX 18-inch rear tine tiller, the perfect machine for anyone looking to work with tough soil. This tiller runs on a 209cc gas OHV engine, which is powerful enough to handle heavy-duty tasks with ease. It's built with durable alloy steel, making it long-lasting and reliable. The bright orange color makes it easy to spot, and its 18-inch wide tilling width and dual rotating tines perform excellently on any type of soil. Whether you're breaking new ground, preparing garden beds, or working in deep soil, this machine makes everything a breeze. Using the tiller, I found it to be very well balanced. Even on hard soil, the grip is fantastic, and the forward and reverse modes make working much easier. The engine has enough power, so there was no struggle breaking through or working in deep soil. It's 63 inches long, but it didn't feel heavy or uncomfortable at all. The whole process was really smooth. If you're looking for a powerful, durable, and smoothly running tiller, the YARDMAX 18-inch rear tine tiller is definitely a great option. It will be your best companion for preparing your garden or farm to perfection. Product number 2. Earthquake Victory Rear Tine Tiller. If you want to make your gardening or farming tasks easier and hassle-free, then today's video is just for you. We're reviewing the Earthquake Victory Rear Tine Tiller, a powerful, durable, and user-friendly tiller that will make your work faster and more enjoyable. This tiller is powered by a 209cc 4-cycle Viper engine, making heavy-duty work feel easy. It features a rugged bronze gear transmission for extra durability, and the counter-rotating tines are amazing at breaking through tough soil. The instant reverse function is super handy when you need to quickly change direction. Plus, thanks to the large pneumatic wheels, it moves smoothly even on rough or muddy ground. It weighs around 154 pounds, but it doesn't feel too heavy at all. The tiller is very well balanced, making it easy and comfortable to use. Plus, its red and black design looks really attractive, helping you stay focused and motivated while working. Built with alloy steel, it's highly durable and long-lasting. It performs excellently even on hard soil, and since it's gas-powered, you don't have to worry about finding electricity or charging while working outdoors. If you're looking for a tiller that's powerful, durable, and easy to use, the Earthquake Victory Rear Tine Tiller will undoubtedly be a top choice. It's the perfect companion for preparing the soil in your garden or farm. Product number 3. Earthquake 31285 Pioneer Dual Direction Rear Tine Tiller. We're going to take a look at the Earthquake 31285 Pioneer Dual Direction Rear Tine Tiller. It's the perfect choice for anyone looking to tackle tough soil. This tiller is powered by a 99cc 4-cycle Viper engine, providing enough power to get the job done. With a 17-inch tilling width and an 11-inch tilling depth, it's perfect for medium to large tasks. The dual direction design and instant reverse feature make it so easy to change directions quickly, especially when you're working in tough soil. Plus, with airless wheels, you don't have to worry about flat tires, and it moves smoothly over dirt or rocky paths. Though it weighs 154 pounds, it feels really balanced and is easy to handle. The black and red design is sleek and professional, and with durable materials, it's built to last. If you're looking for a powerful, user-friendly, and durable tiller, the Earthquake Pioneer Tiller is definitely a great choice for you. Product number 4. Toro Dual Direction Rear Tine Tiller. We're checking out the Toro Dual Direction Rear Tine Tiller, model 58603, a fantastic option if you're looking for something powerful, reliable, and easy to use. This tiller runs on a 127cc Briggs & Stratton 4-cycle gas engine, delivering impressive power even through tough soil. It features heavy-duty stamped steel tines that dig deep and work efficiently. Thanks to the dual direction feature, you can use forward tilling for regular soil and counter rotation for harder ground, making every task smoother. The instant reverse system makes changing directions quick and effortless, and with airless tires, you never have to worry about flats. With a 17-inch tilling width and up to 11 inches of tilling depth, it's absolutely perfect for small to medium-sized gardens and fields. Even though it weighs around 160 pounds, the balance is excellent, and it's surprisingly easy to maneuver. The red and black color combo looks stylish, and the sturdy build means it's made to last through tough jobs without losing performance. If you want a tiller that's powerful, durable, and user-friendly, the Toro Dual Direction Rear Tine Tiller, 58603, could be the perfect companion for your garden or farm. Definitely a smart investment for serious soil work. Product number 5. Champion Power Equipment 19-inch Rear Tine Tiller. If you want to prepare your garden or farm soil quickly and easily, the Champion Power Equipment 19-inch Rear Tine Tiller could be the perfect solution for you. With a powerful gas engine and a sturdy body made of alloy steel and cast iron, this tiller is built for heavy-duty work. Its 19-inch wide tilling width and counter-rotating tines can easily break through even the toughest soil. Plus, the self-propelled agricultural tires provide excellent grip and control, making soil work much smoother. From my experience, this tiller truly saves both time and effort. Where smaller tillers struggle, this machine gets the job done quickly, and without the hassle. Simply put, if you're looking for power, durability, and smooth handling, the Champion 19-inch Rear Tine Tiller is definitely one of the best investments you can make. Once you use it, you'll feel the difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. More honest reviews coming soon. Thanks for watching. Here are our top 5 picks, carefully selected based on our personal research, ratings, reviews, quality, and durability to ensure the best choices for you. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Stay tuned for more amazing product reviews, and thank you for watching.